Good morning. My name is Shreya from class 9.
My name is Trishika from class 9.
Today we are going to explain the model simple camera. In its simplest form, the camera uses the single convex lens to form a real inverted image on the film. The film is coated with a light sensitive material such as an emulsion of a silver bromide on a transparent or a paper base. When the light reflected from the outside of the object falls on this frosted screen through the frosted screen through the lens and form a real inverted image, and in the center of the lens is used.
The important parts of the camera: the lens that produces image, the shutter that controls the angle which light is incident on the film, the diaphragm which controls amount of light falling onto the film per second by using more or less of the aperture of the lens.
From this hole, we can see the image. This is an adjustable. We can move in and out. When we see an image from this, the image will be inverted. Thank you.